Welcome back. Today I'll show you how to withdraw money from PayPal to Nsave. First, open the Nsave app and go to your USD account. Tap Account Details and copy your USD bank details, including the routing and account number. Next, open PayPal and go to Wallet. If PayPal asks you to verify the bank account, complete the verification process. Once your Nsave account is linked, go to Transfer Money and select Transfer to your bank. Choose your new Nsave account, enter the amount you want to withdraw, review the details, and confirm the transfer. After the transfer is processed, check your Nsave USD balance to confirm that the money has arrived. Transfers can typically take 1 to 3 business days, although processing times can vary. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.